Ka Education Committee jong ka Seinraij Jowai ha ka arpui tarik no pra kalapan long ya ka jinghikai kerpang ya kinong hikai halor ka NEP 2020 bat ya ka jinghikai lapan long hayung wale ka lum perdi yong pia ha ka jingwan ya shimbenta kinong hikai na ki school bapher kinong hikai ki balawan ya shimbenta ki kentup kinong hikai ka Seinraij High Secondary School Jowai, Dulang Secondary School Jowai, Panaler Secondary School Jowai, Dulang Upper Primary School SSA, Panaler Upper Primary School SSA, Lumperdi Yongpia Upper Primary School SSA, Pokmusyang SSA Upper Primary School, Chiliang Raj SSA Upper Primary School, Presbyterian Secondary School Jowai, Lumperdi Yongpia Lower Primary School SSA, Nalor ki riurang ba ki Longkemi Longkpa ka Seinraij. Ya ka jingalang lapanya da umajuhi nang hulu Chairman Education Committee Seinraij batlayo ka jingo blengu sim na ka kong wandalan dakar katba uma Hercules toy President Seinraij Jowai ula batay syapang kirukam bat ki jingyo mentoy ki kena da ka bapentre kam ya ka NEP 2020. U Dr. Rajkumar Principal JNV Rambai East China Hills kum uriu syampang ulaong Kari India kalayat mentala laisian ban pentamai bat penjana ya ka National Education Policy. Kabaningkong ha usnem ka kandai spa handriu pupra, ha kabaha uni usnem kalashim ya kilat kilinti, kumno ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi da ka bapen slur ya ki kena banit skul, ha usnem ka kandai spa pra punriu, kasien ka baar ka penlet jingmut, ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi lingba ka jing pentrekam ya ki core computer, kat baha ka ne ka NEP 2020, ka bu thong ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi jong ki kena, habarok kiliang. Shu ula ong kat kum ka NEP 2020 kinong hikai kim de e ban pensyong nong rim tang ban yo ki khna ya ki marks ki bahe Henry ka bakar pang dan kamru ban saindur ya ka jinglong jingman jongki habaro ki liang nadu ka jingkot jingkhya ka sap ka phong ka buram ka akor bat ki wei
much awareness about the education in India, and number of students in school are very less. The first target and first requirement at that time is to bring the children to the schools to have a good quality of education. So 1968, the first education policy is launched by the Indian government that was focused on to bring the students to schools. That means to retain the children in schools. Then after that, the second education policy came in 1986, which was focused on computer education, because at that time computer just started. They came in knowledge what is the need of computer. That without computer we cannot excel with so many technologies and tools which are very much required to excel to the world also. That we cannot bring our child to the world platform without computer education. So that policy of education, NPE, National Policy of Education, that was known in 1986. But some modifications were there. That means some suggestions from the committees they come, and it modified in 1992, and which was to inculcate some skills into the students also. And after that, a new and latest policy of education, that is called National Education Policy NEP 2020, prepared by Indian government under the head of K. Kasturi Ranjan, and it was approved in a Union Cabinet in 19th July 2020. So it is known as National Education Policy 2020. So what is the need of this policy now? Because the first policy focused on to bring students to school. Second policy focused on computer education mainly. Now this third one policy came also. So what is the need of this policy at this time? Because we all have the knowledge of technology also. Computers are very much, that means improved versions of computer we are using. This is the time of smartphones also. Drones we are using. There so many technologies have been developed, Now, what is the need of this new policy? We have to think over it first of all. So, at that time when we are studying in the class, just think about it. When we are in the schools, is there any terms we are using? We were using that what is depression, what is stress, and what is this and that anxiety and phobia. These terms they came in this time also. They are very much focused. And what is mental health and well-being? These terms, है ना? Manodarpan initiatives from the Indian government also. So what is the need of such kind of campaign and such kind of schemes from the central governments? There is a huge pressure over the students also, on teachers also. Teachers are, it is a truth that teachers are also having, they are so much stress from the societies, from the managements, from the parents also, that you have to do like this, you have to be top, your school should be on top. Students, they have pressure from their parents also, you have to top in the class, or you will be the engineer, topmost engineer, you will be the topmost doctor. Why it is so? Why it is so? Where are the human values? We don't think about human values. We don't think about the behavior of the children. So we are only going toward to obtain the good marks from the schools only. I don't think about the behavior change in the children, and that behavior change that lead to the improvement of this educational system. Our children, they are not excel at the world platforms in a developed country like in Japan, in Germany, in France, and that education system different from our education system. So to inculcate the human values, to empowering the educational system also, so that we will be at the platform of the world class, at the world class levels, and education which we are giving in the schools, that should be implemented in our daily life also. But there is no, only rote learning is there, only rote learning to obtain the good marks only.